1. Natural energy. In our quest for ultimate vitality, we often seek external sources. However, what if we already possess the energy we need within ourselves? Semen, a natural substance produced by the male body, holds the key to this powerful, untapped resource. By understanding the science behind semen and its transformative properties, we can tap into a whole new level of energy and well-being. 2. Semen composition. To truly comprehend the energy potential within semen, let's examine its composition. Semen is loaded with vital nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, including fructose, ascorbic acid, zinc, calcium, and more. These components make semen a concentrated source of energy. Semen transformation techniques. 3. Scientists and practitioners have developed various techniques to convert semen into energy. Some individuals choose to engage in semen retention, where they abstain from ejaculation. This practice allows the body to absorb and circulate the energy within semen, resulting in increased vitality. Others explore meditation and breathing exercises to channel this energy throughout the body, amplifying its effects. 4. Transmutation of semen energy. The concept of transmutation involves converting sexual energy, represented by semen, into other forms of energy. This technique has deep roots in ancient practices such as Taoist and Tantric traditions. By directing the energy generated from sexual experiences, individuals can experience heightened levels of creativity, focus, and drive in their daily lives. 5. Practical tips. Now, let's provide you with some practical tips to tap into your semen's energy potential. Firstly, explore practices such as meditation, yoga, or qigong to connect with your inner energy. Regular exercise and a balanced diet play a crucial role in maintaining overall well-being. Additionally, engage in self-care activities and find healthy outlets to express your sexual energy, such as creative pursuits,